How to fix the issue can't sign up on ChatGPT because it identifies landline number and won't send the code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first solution is you can contact to OpenAI support. For that, open a new tab and type in help.openai.com and search for it. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now at the bottom right corner you can find this circle kind of icon. Click on it. Over here different options will pop up. Click on this option of send us a message. Now you will find different topics over here. Just select the topic that is related with your issue. You can click on this option of ChatGPT. Now you can just have conversation with OpenAI help support and solve your problem. The second solution is you have to clear cache and cookies of your browser. For that, click on these three dots given at the top right corner. Select the option of settings. Now head towards the option of privacy and security. Open it. Over here you're gonna find different options. Head towards this option of cookies and other site data. Scroll all the way down. You will find this option of see all data and permissions. Click on it. Now from here you can easily clear cache and cookies for ChatGPT. Just click on the delete icon. Click on the option clear, and with that you are good to go. Now you can open a new tab and go to the website of ChatGPT and try to verify your number. This way your problem might be fixed. If this solution doesn't work for you, then you can just use VPN. Just download any of the VPN and open it. Try to connect to any of the server provided over here. And after you are connected, you can go to the ChatGPT website and try to verify your number. By applying all of these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. This is how you can fix can't sign up on ChatGPT because it identifies landline number and won't send the code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.